Hello guys, today I will talking about our 7 wonders in the world with their countries through animation. So let's get started. Number 1. First, we are going to our first wonder, that is the Great Wall of China. It was built in 220 BC. Its length is 21,196 meters. This wonder is famous for its construction, even though scientists are saying that this wonder has been seen easily from space by satellite. Number 2. Now we are going to our second wonder, that is the Petra. It's found in 321 BC. It's half built, half curved into the rock. This wonder is due to made through mountains to break, and its look amazing even though tourists are really impressed to see this architect. Number 3. Now we are going to our third wonder, that is the Crest of Remer. It's built in 4th April 1922. Its monument height is 98 feet. This wonder is look like Christ is standing. Even also, this monument was situated in a mountain. All over city are seen from that place. Number 4. Now we are going to our fourth wonder, that is the Taj Mahal. It's built in 1632 AD. It's made by Shah Jahan for his wife Mumtaz Mahal. This wonder is situated in Agra in India. Many tourists are visit from this beautiful monument, even though many people call it a sign of love. Number 5. Now we are going to our fifth wonder, that is the Colosseum. It's built in 80 AD. It's used for various blood sports including gladiatorial combat. This place was used for many types of games like fighting with animals at that time. At present time, many people are visit this place as a tourist and enjoy it. Number 6. Now we are going to our sixth wonder, that is Machu Picchu. It's built in around 1450 AD. It was discovered Hiram Bingham. It's mostly famous for a historical place, and also it is situated in the mountain which is 2430 meters above from the sea level. It's most iconic place in the Peru, and many visitors are come to see the beautiful place. Number 7. Now we are going to our seventh wonder, that is Chichen Itza. It's built in early 40s AD. It was founded by the Maya civilization. This place is spread into 5 kilometers. One such city where some temples, mountains and playgrounds are situated, even also a mountain which have 365 states, that one state equals to one day in a year. Even some medical schools find from this place. Thank you for watching. Visit again.